In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up and install your Epson L6190 series printer on your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser and into Google, just search for Epson L6190 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best result, you come back with an Epson support page. This is Epson L6190 support. Go ahead and open that up. And then scrolling down underneath downloads, product setup, select the Epson software updater, and then just select the download button for that. Once it's on your device, open up the file. It should be a verified publisher from Epson. Select yes to proceed, and then follow through the end user license agreement. You have to accept the terms, and then just follow on with the instructions for configuring your software preferences. You may need to have your Wi-Fi credentials already put onto your printer, so open up your printer settings on the printer itself, and then come back in here and then refresh the page by selecting the little refresh button, and then your software should populate. If you're not using a wireless connection and you're using a physical manual cable to connect, it should appear pretty much automatically here. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.